Hello everyone. So ever needed the cube root of 27, 17 or even 38? So today we are diving deep into the cube roots of 1 to 40. Understand what they are, why they matters and how can you approximate or calculate them. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Perfect cubes are powerful tools in maths, physics, 3D scaling, volume calculation, etc. So we will learn cube roots of 1 to 40, distinguish between perfect versus non-perfect cubes and explore methods to approximate them. So what is cube root? A cube root is a number where n is a number such that x cube is equals to n, or it is noted as like this. It is cube root of n. So what is perfect and what is non-perfect cube? So perfect cubes are 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, and so on. And non-perfect cubes, cubed root of 17, which is approximately 2.571, cubed root of 25. The full explanation of this cubed root of 25 is already uploaded. You can check out on the channel. 2.924. So these are perfect and these are non-perfect cubes. So cube root from 1 to 40, we can write it as cube root of 1 is 1. Cube root of 2 is 1.260, which is not a perfect cube. Cube root of 3 is 1.442. Cube root of 4 is 1.587. Cube root of 5 is approximately 1.710. Similarly, cube root of 8, it's perfect. So it's 2. So now you can find so on with the help of calculator as well. So cube root of 10 is 2.154. Cube root of 15 is 2.466. So if you have to find cube root of 12 and there are 4 multiple choice questions given, so you can find out that cube root of 10 is 2.154 and cube root of 15 is 2.468. So it lies between these two numbers from decimal 154 to decimal 466. So you can calculate with the help of calculator as well. Cube root of 20 is 2.714 and cube root of 25 is 2.924. Cube root of 30 is 3.2. Cube root of 35, 3.271, and cube root of 40 is 3.420. That's how you can find the cube root of perfect cubes and non-perfect cubes. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.